All right, it's the day you've been waiting for all year, Black Friday 2022, KDP and Etsy edition. I'm going to share with you all the great deals I have gathered, including coupon codes and all sorts of things. So come on with me and learn about all these great deals. Hey everybody, I'm Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and I am here to help you learn about KDP and building your publishing empire on Amazon, as well as creating a printable empire on Etsy. So we're going to be talking about some great tools that you can use for both of those platforms, as well as I'm going to do a little bit with Merch Informer, if you've heard of Merch by Amazon, and I'll share those with you. So let's get right into the deals, all right? Okay, the first one we're going to talk about is Black Friday deals by Creative Fabrica, and I'm really excited this year. There is a lot of really good ones, and they have one of my favorite ones back, but there's kind of a really cool one. So I'm going to share these with you. Okay, so the first one is all year access for $4.99 per month, and it's billed yearly. So it's an annual billing of $59 per year. So yes, you do have to pay $59, but it's for the whole year. That is a crazy deal. $5 a month for graphics, and fonts and anything you can think of. It is an insane deal. I actually pay $5 a month right now, and I would never even cancel this subscription. I use it so much. I love it. Okay, so that's a super, super deal. And I'm going to have links to all of this in my show notes. I'm also going to have some coupon codes in there that are definitely you want to pay attention to if I have a coupon code, because that's a really good deal. You get extra % off if you use the code, so pay attention to that. Okay, so the next one is a Black Friday deal by Creative Fabrica. It is limited edition craft kits. So they're heavily discounted, so it's actually a physical item that you can ship within, I think there's a few countries. I think it's US, Australia, maybe the UK. You'd have to look. It's free shipping, but these are like crafts you can actually give to somebody. So this might be a really good gift for somebody. If you're looking for a unique gift, this could be something. I'm actually going to look through this today because I know some of the people who might want gift kit or craft kits. So that's actually going to be one of my go-to Christmas presents this year. I think this is going to be a good one. Okay, so this one is really fun. It is a gift a yearly subscription. So someone you know who has everything, but they love graphics and fonts. I know there's some super font crazy people in this world. So you could give them the gift of a membership for $59 a year. Well, actually, you're just buying it for $59, and then you're going to give them basically a year of access. So that's a pretty cool gift. All right. Now, the next one, this is one of my favorites. They did this last year, and I know some of you don't necessarily want to get the unlimited thing because it has some stipulations, and if you stop it, then you can't use you can't reuse your graphics, right? So some people just like to buy graphics outright. This is a great promotion. Double the credits. So if you buy like $5, they give you $10. So it's like buy one, get one free. So for every dollar you spend, they will match it. So you get $5, you spend $5 and you get $10. So that's really, really cool. And then they have a bunch of stuff on sale for 90% off and lots of dollar things. So you can definitely purchase a bunch of stuff with those store credits. Here is another one that I think is a really cool deal. So let's say you want to buy this year and next year. You're basically prepaying for 2 years of access. The first one is $59, right? And then you can buy an additional year for only $47. And now the great thing is you don't have to worry about losing all of your licensing and all that. You can use these deals, and it will actually apply to your account. If you have any troubles, please email Creative Fabrica and talk to them. Be very kind. I had a few problems when I upgraded to a different deal to get my $5 a month deal, but they were very kind, and they told me how to fix it. They fixed everything. So just be patient, ask questions. They're very, very helpful. So don't worry. You can keep all your licenses. You just need to upgrade. And then if you have any problems, please email them. They're really, really great. Okay, so this was what I was saying, 90% off of millions of fonts and designs. So if you get those store credits, double credits, then you can buy a bunch of stuff for super, super, super cheap. That's like really awesome. So it's like double your money plus 90% more, right? So that's a really good deal. Okay, now I want to talk about another, actually two things you can do. So say you're into, this is kind of Etsy graphics and also KDP you can use these for. So Fernando, I've had him on my show. He is really awesome at Etsy. Like if you want to learn how to Etsy, he knows how to Etsy, and he's got some courses coming up. So his deal is, this is a Black Friday special. So he has 4 workshops that you can get for $147 and 6 workshops for $197, and that's throughout next year. So you get to pick, they're just gonna have different courses next year, and you get to pick the ones that you want to go to if you buy 4, or if you get all 6, you get all 6. Now here's something else he's come up with. This is a super, super, super deal. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's like a one-time and done thing. So he has a mega Black Friday sale. He has a designer, he makes different packages that can be used on Etsy, and you can also use some of this stuff for KDP. There's tons of graphics. It's all customizable, super easy to customize. I was overwhelmed when I went in there and saw how much is in there and what you can do with all of this. It's so mix and match, and you can do a million things. And so what his deal is, let me scroll you all the way down. He has, it's normally almost $25, and then, but you can do it for $7 for a month, or if you want a yearly subscription, the deal is $199. But the super deal, the real deal here, is the lifetime, which is $397, which I know is probably a lot for a lot of you, and I get that. But if you have the money, or if you want, the super deal, this is a lifetime. So you get all current and future packages. So that's a really, really great deal, because there's so much included. Like you can just see some of the things that, it's amazing what's in here. It was truly overwhelming when I saw this. Okay, so let's talk about softwares. Okay, so BookBolt, maybe you guys all know about BookBolt, but this is it is a program software basically that does a bunch of things. So you can do research on BookBolt. It actually has a designer. There is a lot of templates. So if you need templates to start with and then adjust and design and add to, there's a ton of templates. I use it for KDP ideas, KDP research, and what I actually used it for today was the Book Scout, which is the ability to type in a book that has been self-published, so an independently published book, and then look and see what keywords it is ranking for. So I actually used this today. It was really great, and I think that is a great sale. Now, what is the deal? Here is the deal. The deal is $49.99 for 6 months. But wait, I have a 20% off coupon. So if you use Ashley20, you actually get 20% off that. So it's $39.99 for 6 months. So it's actually $40 for 6 months, which is a super deal. Then you can, it's a really, really good deal. So I just wanted to share that with you, let you know that was out there, and use my coupon code. Again, here's another one from the same makers of BookBolt, Merch Informer. If you have merch by Amazon, for the trademark checker alone, this is worth it, because it keeps you good on the trademark checker. Will keep you out of hot water from the trademarks, and you can check if the trademark's out there for your t-shirts, and basically keep yourself legal, which is great. Rather than checking everything in tests, this kind of automatically tells you, gives you ideas what might trigger the trademark in Merch Informer. Now, Merch by Amazon is a program to make t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, cell phone cases, pillows, various things like that. It is not available to everyone. I know it's available in the US and a few other countries, but I just thought I would share with you that the deal, it's the same thing, $49.99 for 6 months, but with my coupon Ashley20, it is $39.99 for 6 months. Okay. Now here's one that you're probably thinking, why am I sharing this? Because I think this is Sale Samurai. It is the same deal, $49.99 for 6 months, but with my coupon code Ashley20, it is $39.99 for 6 months. But this is really cool. I actually use this for KDP and Etsy. So this is actually a tool on Etsy, but I actually use it to help me with KDP. If some of you have seen some of my other shows where I come up with secret, which isn't really secret since I shared it with you all on my videos, then you'll know that I like to use Etsy to actually do some idea generation for KDP and actually put stuff on KDP and Etsy as well. So Sales Samurai actually does a lot of, it'll analyze your store, tell you how to make your SEO better, give you keyword ideas, it'll grade you, gives you like A, B's, and C's and tells you what you could do to make it better. But this right here, and I'll show you what it is. Let's see, so you can also see in Sales Samurai there is a ton of, these are all videos that are thinking about loading. So this is all training. There's a bunch of training and things like that in here. But I want to show you one of the things that I think is really cool. It is a Chrome extension for Sales Samurai. So on Etsy, I actually typed in educational printables, and if I right click, it gives me this printout. So I'll show you how it works in a second, but I wanted to show you, because this sometimes takes a while to load, that it gives me like all the things that gets typed into Etsy. It gives me search volume, competition, how many words. It gives you some great ideas, suggestions for other things. It's really great, and I use this also for keyword ideas for KDP, and I use it for keyword ideas for Etsy. So I think this is a really great tool. Now, how it works, let's see. I'm back on my Etsy page, and you can see I've typed in educational printables, and what it does is it gives you the search volume for that particular thing, and then if you click on here, it shows you that view I had with the list, and you can actually export that list and use it in whatever way you need to. Sometimes it's just nice to have it in an Excel sheet so you can copy and paste and kind of document the different keywords that you have. Okay, moving along, I've got another great one from AppSumo. I love graphics. I'm a graphic crazy person, and so one of the great graphic things I use is Depositphotos. I use Creative Fabrica a lot, but sometimes I can't find what I'm looking for. So what I like about Depositphotos is you can use this on AppSumo. I'll have like all these links on there. Don't worry about any of these links. But what you can do is you can actually, for $39, get premium, you get like 100 stock images for $39, which is really great. The credits never expire. I think I've bought this deal, I don't even know how many times. I think I have 750 credits. So I've apparently bought it quite a few times, but I'm going to buy it again because I use the graphics often. They have great patterns. There's some really great stuff. Always read the licensing. That's true for Creative Fabrica, Depositphotos. Always read the licensing, abide by the rules. But this can be a great place to get graphics as well. You can also see that they have some more fun Black Friday deals. So if you need, whatever you need for your business, AppSumo might have it. But this is the one I use a lot, especially in KDP. All right. Some of these, by the way, are affiliate links and some are not, like the next two are not. So Affinity Publisher, or the whole Affinity products, you can actually, so this is a publisher which is specific to create like book creation and things like that. They also have other, they have their version of Photoshop, but instead of being a monthly fee, this is a one-time type purchase. You can see the Affinity there's Affinity Designer, Photo, and Publisher. So these are the different things. This is Designer works with vectors, Photo is like Photoshop, and Affinity Publisher is their publishing type thing that could create books. So what's cool about this Affinity Publisher 2, or just the Affinity Products 2.0, is before you had to get them, like what type of, if you're using a Mac system, a Windows system, or an iPad system. And so I actually have Affinity for everything but in Windows, but I don't have anything for iPad. And so I was like, darn, this 2.0, it gives you some additional features with editing and software and things, but it also makes it all work on any system. So you can use this on your iPad, you can use this on your Mac, you can do this on Windows. It gives you kind of that universal license. So if you have not purchased Affinity, this is a super deal. $99, one-time payment, and you're done. You've got kind of everything. I really like their photo thing. I've been using it instead of Photoshop, and I like it. So it's really, really useful. So that's kind of a deal. And that's really all I have for deals for Black Friday. But as you can see, there's some great deals, whether you need graphics or software or classes. There's a bunch of stuff out there, but I thought these were the ones that I've kind of wrangled together that thought you would be really needing for KDP, or at least be interested in for Kindle Dark Publishing and also for Etsy. So check these out. Please check out the show notes. It'll have links. Some of them are affiliate links, some are not. It's just things that I have gathered that I thought were great deals for you all. Okay, I'll see you in my next video, and happy Black Friday shopping. I hope you get the deal that is just perfect for you and that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks. Bye.